How to see recently watched reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Let's tap on the reel section over here. Now let's suppose that you have watched this reel and you have changed it. Now you'd want to go back to the reel, or you would want to see which reel that you've watched. Now basically, if you are on the same reel section or the reel page and you have not cancelled it, then you'll be able to see by going back. But if you have already got back from the reel section and you have just cancelled out all the Instagram application, then you'll not be able to see. So in order to see your recently watched reels on Instagram, you either have to like it or you have to just comment on the particular reel. So let's select on any of these options, and now what you can do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon. Here you can see the option of your activity, so tap on it. Now tap on the option of likes or comments, as you have just liked and commented on both. So here you can see the reels. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.